Good afternoon, folks. Mark Wilson here in the fan cave, the new fan cave. This is a garage that I'm renting now. Well, sort of. I'm exchanging for puppy sitting duties a couple of times a month. So anyway, what you've got here, this is a Hunter. I'm drawing a blank on the model. I know I thought it was a Spectrum at first, but then the closer I got, I realized it was newer than a Spectrum. I only saw a picture from above, and this one's from 2001. It was actually situated in from what I understand, if I remember the details correctly, a pool cabana. And the gentleman that I got it from, he just he dismantled the cabana and then figured he'd put the fan on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace or whatever it was. So I acquired it, and so it works well. Let's take it for a test spin. Turn the start off on fast. Moves a decent amount of air. Put it on the medium setting. And on to low. And it does have a functioning light. Came with two candelabra bulbs or nightlight bulbs. And now for the spin down. And in case I failed to mention it at the beginning, which I think I did, the date is April 25th, 2023, and I just heard the church bells go off, so I'm assuming it's on the hour sometime in the afternoon. Not sure, might be on 4 or so, I'm guessing. I don't have my watch on, and my cell phone is recording the video, and I don't want to disturb it, so taking some time off. I left my job at the post office on Friday, and today is Tuesday, so I've had a few days. And the first thing I did on Saturday, with my day off, was go out and scoop up a bunch of free fans. I had 7 of them altogether. So this was one of them. I picked up 3 in Westford, then went up to pick up 3 more in Maynard, and then went home and this one popped up, so I came and went over and picked that up. Yeah, I got the Hunter. Again, I think this might be a Sea Air or something, but yeah, what did I get that day? I got like an SMC Royal Flush, Hampton Bay Genoa, and like 4 Hunter passports. So as always, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Um, please do stay tuned for more fan videos. There'll be more coming. And good night and good luck. Spin down should be done. Spinning down momentarily. Yeah, I believe these are actually outdoor rated fans, because they have the hard plastic blades instead of wood veneer. So it made sense. It was an outdoor, like I said, it was in a pool cabana, so it was exposed to the elements. And but it seems to have remained unscathed. It's in pretty good shape. I have to give it a good cleaning yet, but anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.